Welcome to Quiz Quest. Can you pass this biology quiz? So let's get started. Basic unit of life is? Plant food process is called? Powerhouse of the cell? Green pigment in plants? What are enzymes? Genetic material in nucleus? Cell division process is called? Blood pumping organ is? Gas absorbed by plants? Infection-fighting blood cell? Largest organ in our body? Vitamin from sunlight? Protein building blocks is? Energy making process in cells? Cell membrane component? Cell control center is? Blood filtering organ? Self-feeding organism? Tissue connecting muscles to bones? Brain part for voluntary actions? Study of heredity is called? Water loss in plants? Cell without nucleus? Survival of the fittest process is? Genetic instruction molecule? Water movement across membrane? Tell me answer in comment section. Successive generation change. Shoulder and hip joint type. Universal donor blood type. Organelle for photosynthesis. Fluid in blood. Function of red blood cells. Non-parasitic plant on another plant. One-parent reproduction.